Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Jon, and on the turntable we have the Matchbox Superfast 1F mod rod, one of the more common Superfast models. This one was kindly donated to me by Steven from Tokyo Dix in a large box of cars. So huge thanks again, Steven. As you can see, your donation is put to good use. Steven's young son is also an avid collector of Zico models and makes his own stop motion videos with his cars, so make sure to have a look at their channel and give them a like. The mod rod is one of Matchbox's fantasy hot rod models. It was issued in 1971 as a follow-up model of the 1E Mercedes truck. It was always sold in bright yellow with orange windows, a bright orange interior and a large chromed engine, which was recycled from the 34D Formula 1 race car. And it usually had a sticker with the head of a cheetah on the hood. Production ended in 1975, but the mod rod got a brief reissue in 1978, painted silver with the black and red trim, opaque black windows and a black engine. This model has had quite some adventures. One of its previous owners painted it dark blue all over the windows and engine. The cheetah sticker peeled off at one point, exposing the original yellow paint. The wheels are also a bit wonky, so I'll have to replace the axles too. So let's get out tools and give this model a factory reset. This 1F mod rod was kindly donated to me by Tokyo Dix in a box full of diecast cars. The model was painted over by one of its owners, the cheetah sticker is gone and the front axle is bent. Time for a factory reset. The traffic yellow is almost spot on, and despite of the mishap with one of the rear rivet posts, I think this model turned out great. The engine was rechromed, the wheels refreshed and the front axle replaced. I had to replace the window as it was cracked. I'm glad how shiny it looks again after the sanding and polishing. And the cheetah on the hood is a cherry on the cake. You can find the file on my Ko-fi page. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.